Hey, what up, guys? Welcome back again to my video. So, this video is actually an online banking website which I've called XCT Banking. Okay, so this banking online banking website is newly designed. You will not find it anywhere. So, this video is actually about introducing you to this online banking website to teach you how you can set up this kind of website for yourself or for your clients, how the website works, the various features of the website. Okay, so the part where you are actually looking at right now is the home page of the website, beautifully designed. All the content, pictures, layouts, they have all been provided for you. Okay, so this is the light mode of the website. There's also a dark mode, which is this. You can see that now, which is this dark mode, and you can also toggle between the dark mode and the light mode. So there are other pages that make up the website. You can see this credit card page, you can see this personal page, business loan page, and various pages too also make up the website. Okay, so this website again also have another part which we call the user dashboard. The user dashboard. This is the user dashboard now. As you can see, this is the user dashboard. This is actually the desktop view of the user dashboard. So let me take you through the mobile view now. This is the mobile view. This is the mobile view. So you see how sleek and beautiful it is. This is the mobile view. You can toggle between the menus here. You can toggle menus. Okay. So these are the various features of the website. You can see them now. You can print account statements, you can do a transfer, a cross-border transfer, you can exchange money. There's also a virtual card, you can pay bills, you can also carry out cryptocurrency transactions, you can apply for loan, you can do your website or your account settings too. Okay, so take a look at this particular transaction now. I can click on receipts and it will display the particular receipts of that transaction. And you can see that, right? Displaying the receipt of that particular transaction. So I will show you how this website works by taking you step by step on how the website works. I will first of all show you how you can actually set up the website. That's what that's the part we are actually going into now. So I will be teaching you like I'm setting up the website for a client. Okay, so there's a particular job I'm supposed to deliver for a particular client, and it will not take me 1 hour to deliver this online banking website to a client. Okay, so now I've gotten my domain name, I've gotten my hosting. Okay, as you can see, this is my cPanel. I've gotten my domain name already, I've gotten my hosting. So if you don't know how to get your domain name, you don't know how to get your hosting, you can still contact me through my contact details, which is under this video description. So I've gotten my domain name now, I've gotten my hosting. And the next thing I will go to now, I will go to File Manager. You can see it now. So don't forget, we are actually going to set up the online banking website now. Like I said before, I am setting it up for a client. So this video is about teaching you how you can set up this online banking website for a client in less than 1 hour. Okay, so we just started now. Like I said before, this is my cPanel now. I have logged in into my cPanel. Your cPanel details will be given to you immediately you purchase your hosting. So in your cPanel now, go to File Manager, click on File Manager, click on File Manager, you see something like this. Okay, you get something like this. Now you are going to click on public underscore HTML, public underscore HTML. So before you upload your file, come to settings here. You see this show any files. I want you to tick. I want you to tick it and click on what? Open. Okay. So then you click on upload. You click on upload here. Click on upload. You will upload the zip file which will be given to you. SCT banking zip file. This zip file now will be given to you. So you upload the zip file. Now you can see that the file is currently uploading. So let's just give it some time. I'll pause the video now, then I'll come back by the time my file has been uploaded. So when you see this green color here, just know that it has been uploaded. So the next thing is for me to go back to my file manager. I'll come here and I will reload. I will reload. Then the next thing is to select the file. I'll select the file. I will right click. You can see right click and click on extract. Extract. I'll extract the file now. I'll extract the file. Okay, then I'll come to close. You can see this folder here. So then you delete this file, delete the file, go into this folder, go into this folder. What you are going to do now, you are going to select, click on select all, then click on move. Look at move here. Move it to public underscore HTML. Public underscore HTML. You come down, scroll down, you see this installation guide. You edit, you click on edit, and then you will read through it. So you read through it. It says how to upload scripts. So download and extract the zip file to public underscore HTML, public folder or subfolder. This one has been done. So now it said create a new database and import SQL database.sql file inside SQL folder. Okay, so let's now first of all look for our SQL folder. Look at it here. Look at our SQL folder, and then still loading. This is our database.sql file. So the next thing I'll do is to create a database. I'll come to my cPanel home page again. I'll go to database wizard or manage database wizard, whichever one you can find your own. Click on database wizard. And click on database wizard. I can give the database name of bank DB. Let me call it bank DB. I'll click on next step. From next step, so now our database has been created. I will come here. Look at it now. You have created a database named. I will copy this database name. I will open Notepad. Look at it here. Notepad. Search for Notepad. Open Notepad. Then you put your database name there. Okay, let's close this one. Open this one. Open it. Okay. When I come here again, I'll put my username, which is bank user. Then I'll put in a password. I will generate a password. Okay, I like this password. I'll use it. Let's generate another one. Okay, I like this password. I'll tick this and I'll use password. I will also come here, save my password, create user. Then I'll tick this all privileges. I'll copy the password username, sorry, the database username. Then I'll paste it. Scroll down and click on all, make changes. Changes. Still loading. Okay, now it has loaded, and then I'll come to cPanel home page again, look for phpMyAdmin. So while phpMyAdmin is loading, I will come here and download this file. You click on download. That's it now. You click on download. As you can see, it has been downloaded. Okay, phpMyAdmin is still loading. So then I will click on the database which I just created and click on import. Then I'll choose file. I will select the file which I just downloaded, and I will click on import. So now my database has been imported. The next thing I'll do, go back to the installation guide again. So we have done this now. Now it's asking us to go to user folder. So go to user folder, look for user folder. This is user folder. Go to user folder. It said go to then admin folder, then go to conf folder. This is it, conf folder. Then edit config.inc.php, which is this. This is this. Okay. Okay, and then it said go to line 67 to set database and do other site settings. Interesting, interesting. So let's go to line 67. Look at the lines number here. Let's go to line 67. Okay, this is line 67. DB host will still be local host. DB user will be my database username, which I created, which is this. Copy it. Make sure you don't have space. Then DB password with the password which I created. Okay, and then DB name will be this. DB name will be this. Okay, so now site email, I'll come to my cPanel. I'll create an email account. So go to email account. Okay, site email. I'm going to create support. Okay, and I'm going to put this as a password. I'm going to put this as my password. I can easily remember this. I'll click on create. I'll click on create. Okay, still creating. Okay, so by the time you are being redirected to this place, just know that your email address has been created. So I'm going to copy this now and I'm going to paste it here. Paste it here. So you can call yours and any name at all. So I want to call my SCT Action Bank. That's the name I want to give it, SCT Action Bank. And my link is going to be this. Okay, so I'm going to give it this. Okay, so this is my link. Nothing else, nothing else. Now click on save. You can see now that I've saved it. So let's go back to nothing else anymore, nothing else. So it's time for us to load our website. So I'll come here now. You can see right now it's showing 404, which is nothing is there. I'll just click on reload. So I clicked on reload and you can see now that it's loading. This is loading up. Okay, so now I'm going to log in into the admin. So I'm going to log into the admin area now. So when you come down here, you can see that set URL/user. That is the admin URL. So that's what I'm going to do now. That's what I'm going to do now, /admin/user. Okay, currently loading now. Oh, okay, I made a mistake. /user. Okay, so now this is the admin login link. This is also the same as the user. I'm going to copy this default details now. Then I'll copy the default password. Click on login. So as you can see now, this is the admin login link. So I'm going to come down to settings here, general settings. Okay, general settings is opening. So this is the general settings now. Here you can be able to change your site name. Like now I can put my SCT Action Bank. SCT Assured Bank. This place I will toggle on and off SMS, so I will turn it off. Email notification, I will turn it on. So by the time I have my logo, I will upload my logo here. You can see select dark logo, select light logo, select your favorite icon so that you can see that now. So this way you change your logo, then you change your meta SEO meta keywords here. Also put the meta description here. You see that now. So you can see SCT banking. Where is it now? So I'm just gonna put it there. I'll say SCT banking and all that. Then I'll click on what save settings. You see that now? I'll click on save settings. So there again, I'll come down to email manager. I'll come down to email manager. So this is where I will set up the email. Okay. So here you can set up your email configuration here. So you can either edit any of these ones here and make it active, or you can add a new one. You add a new one here. You add a new one. So there's no need for us to edit this. I just want to edit. Like I said, you can either add a new one or you can edit. So I just want to edit this. So host name, like you can put your site name, let's say SCT Bank, SCT Action Bank. Now for email host, so this is where you get your email host. Let me take you back to my cPanel. So you see that now. We will click on email account. So email host is the domain name. So I'm just going to copy this domain name. I'll paste it here. I'll leave this 465. I'll leave it. Encryption, I'll leave it as SSL. So if you are using SSL, you're going to leave this port as 465. Reply to, you're going to put the email. You're going to put the email. Username, you're going to put the email still. And again, the password, you remember the password I used the other time? It was this password I used in creating my email. So that's what I'm going to use now. So that's what I will use paste. So now we come here, when it's like this, it's saying that it is active, and then when it's like this, it's deactivated. So I'm going to activate it now. I'll click on what save. Okay, so that will be it. Then after that, I don't think there's any configuration. There's any configuration. So I'm going to create an account now. So I'll create an account now as a user. So let me show you how it is used. So I'll click on get started here. Sign up, get started. Okay, so now put in the first name. Let's say Simon Roland. Date of birth is going to be this. Let's just use this mail. Zip code, let's just use this. Phone number, let's use this. Email, so I'm going to use my email. House address, let's just use this as a default. We are just testing. So let's use this. Country, I can say uh, Monaco. Let's use this. I'll click on accept our terms and conditions. Then I'll click on next. Okay. So next, now select the currency. Next of kin name. Let's just put this. The password 2 week. Okay. So I'll save my password somewhere. Okay. So upload passports. I'm going to upload the passport now. I think I have a man photo. Then I'll click on complete registration. Phone number email already. So you can see that now your sign up has been completed. Kindly sign in to your accounts below. Okay. So I'm supposed to receive a mail here. Probably is being delayed. Okay. So when I receive it, I will show you guys again. So now the next thing is for me to log into my account. I will log in with my email and then the password which I used to create the account, which is this. I'll log in. So you can see signed in successfully. You are being redirected. So now this is my dashboard. You can see that is my dashboard here. Okay, so it's my dashboard now. I see that now. So you can see that the account number field is blank. So this person's account has not been activated. So the next thing for you to do is to go to the admin and go to management, go to users, go to users. Okay, so you're going to look for the account just now. Look at this is the account. You can see that this is the account. Now I'll click on this now to edit. So here I'll put in the account number now. So let's just put it 10 number. So is that 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this would be the account number. I can probably do the others or just leave it there like that. So suit code, I can just put this. So now activate accounts or ban accounts. So I'm going to activate accounts. So if you want to ban the account, you would or activate what the account. So now I can start with a balance of 50,000. Okay. So now we'll come to updates. Oh, okay. Yeah, I need to select this. Come to what updates. So you can see user profile updated successfully. So when I come back to the user now, I reload. You can see that now that there's an account number for the user. The account has been funded with $50,000. Okay. So the next thing now, you can see this place here, no transaction history yet because we've not done any transaction yet. So now what I need to do now is to come to transfer. I'll come to transfer. So I'm going to select transfer to account or transfer to other bank. So I will use transfer to other bank. It's loading again. So now I have no beneficiaries. So I'll use new beneficiary here. Look at it. I'll use new beneficiary here. So then I'll put in the account number which I want to transfer to. Let me put this. Then I'll select the bank. Let's just select the bank. So all this list of banks you can edit from the admin. So let me show it to you. Come to management, come to banks. So you can see that now you can edit the list of banks here. You can add new, bank, and again you can edit the list, and you can also what up to update the bank. Okay, so I'm just going to select a particular one now, and then I'll put it the user, I'm putting the amount I want to transfer, I'll put in the narration, and I'll click on what on next. So my transfer pin is 1234. So it's asking me now for the transfer summary. So you see that now. I can either save beneficiary or no, either yes or no. So I don't want to save it. So I'll just click on submit. I'll click on submit. So by the time you submit the transfer now, you're going to see this. Okay. So you're going to see this receipt like this. You can share or you can just close. Okay. So that's how the transfer is being done. So when you come back to the admin side, you're going to come to you come to management. You see the transactions. So this is the transfer which I just carried out. You're going to click on edit. You can edit the transaction here. You can edit this description here. You can also edit the dates. You can backdate it. Then you click on what submit. See that now. So I want to change this now to, let's say, 2015. And then I'll click on, let's put it at 2010. I'll click on submit. You can change the details of this transaction here. Okay. So let's now go for a cross-border transaction, the one you call the wire transfer. So I'm going to click on cross-border transfer now. So I'll put in the bank name, let's say test bank, put in an account name, let's say user test, an account number. So this will be the account which I want to transfer from. Then I'll put in the amount, put the code, and let's just say flights. Then I'll click on next, click on next, currently loading. So it's asking me now for transfer pin. So I'll put my transfer pin 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll click on submit. So you can see OTP has been set to your phone or your email. So you're going to go to the email now to get the OTP. Okay. So you can see now this is the OTP code. This is the OTP code email. So I'm going to put the so it is 321. So the OTP is 321 271. Then I'll click on next. So you see that I click on next. Now it's verifying the OTP which I just inserted. Now, as you can see, it didn't ask me for the COT or the other transfer code. That is because I didn't activate it for this particular user. So to activate the transfer codes for the particular user, go to the admin and then go to management, go to users. So now let's look for that particular user. Okay, this is it. And I'll tick this. See that now, use COT tags and ANT code. So I'm going to tick this now. So you can see updated successfully here. I'll reload to make sure it was updated. I'll reload now. Okay, so let's look for the user now. Let's look for the user. Oh, okay. So it's updated now. So let's reload again. So you can see now the code has been activated. So we are going to do a transfer again now. So let's click on cross border transfer again. So I put bank name, put the account number. I'll put the amount, put this, and I'll put this. I'll click on next. My transfer pin is 1, two, three, four. Now click on submit. So OTP has been sent. So my OTP code is 240132. Now click on next. Now it's verifying the OTP which I just inserted. So now it's asking me for the cost of transfer code. As you can see now cost of transfer code. So I'm going to show you how you can get this code. To get this code, go back to the admin, and go to management and go to users. You go to management here, you go to users. Okay, so under users, you can see pending transfer international. Okay, so this is the what OTP code now. You can see the OTP code in case the user does not get it on his or her email. Now this is the cost of transfer code. So 341023. OTP code is 33411023. Now click on next. So asking for task code now. So same thing, I'll come here. Task code is 014233. So 014233. Then I'll come again and click on next. Okay. So you're asking for the last code, which is anti-terrorism money laundering charge. So the ANT. So the ANT code can also get from here. Look at it here for that particular transfer. So you can see 012334. So 012334, 012334. I'll click on submit. Okay, now transfer is loading. So you can see now this is the transaction receipt, transfer complete. I can click on receipt now and the receipt will load. So you can see the receipt now. I can print it and then close. So I'll just close now. So this is how the transaction is being done, the local transfer and the international transfer. So let me take you to the transaction log now so you can see the various transactions. So we can see now this is the transaction here. So we can still exchange money from here. So other features, that's the exchange money features. So you can select from. So let me show you how that works. So you can select from, you put an amount, let's say 900, 9,000. Then I'm exchanging to euro. You can see that this is the amount we get in euro. So you exchange the amounts now. So you can see that. So it also has the visual card feature. So let's see that. So in coming now, I'm going to generate the account number for now. Click on submit. So you generate card number here, you click on submit. So you can see visual card created successfully and awaiting activation. So we'll come back again to my admin. We'll come back again to admin, go to management. Um, so you can also carry out cryptocurrency deposit here. So you can see that this is for cryptocurrency deposits. Here you choose any of the crypto which you want, put in the wallet, you copy wallet address, put in the amount, then you upload proof of payment and click what submit. So transaction long is going to be here. You can do crypto transfer. You can also apply for loan, view loan, or also calculate loans. So this is how actually the website works. Okay, so I'll cut this video here right now. If there's any part of this website you don't understand, all you have to do is message me through the contact that's under this video description. Thank you for watching.